Meet AISQ Meteor, your agency's growth engine. We didn't just hand you tools, we handed you a marketing powerhouse. The AISQ team has already set up your Meteor Basecamp project. So you start fast, stay focused, and scale without chaos. You choose the rhythm, you choose the tools, and you control the workflow. No rigid pathways, total freedom with guided power. You also get a direct line to AISQ support, ready when you are. That means real help, real answers, and real growth. What AISQ Meteor actually does. AISQ Meteor turns a single piece of content into a complete marketing flow. It starts with SEO optimized content creation, designed to attract the right audience through search. Then Meteor automatically distributes that content across your marketing channels. SEO optimized content, published to your website, your article goes live and gets indexed by Google. Share on social media. Posts are automatically generated and published to your profiles. Send through email. Your audience receives it directly in their inboxes. One piece of content, full marketing distribution. Instead of writing something once and leaving it on your blog, AISQ Meteor turns it into a full marketing campaign. Your content appears on Google search, on your website, on your social media profiles, in your email newsletters, all coordinated through a single automated system. The AISQ Meteor Core. Create once, approve once, then watch your content appear on Google, on social media, in email inboxes. Everything organized inside Meteor Basecamp. Everything automated by AISQ tools. Everything under your control.